Building an online business is very tough on these days, guys. If you are thinking like this, then here in this video let me tell you the secrets which help me to bring my skills and personal growth in digital marketing industry. Guys, if you are a zero and want to start from scratch, then let me take my example. If I have nothing, for example, I have an ad agency, I have contents, I have my website, I have portfolio and case study, lots of stuff I have in hand. But if I would have nothing on hand, then what should I do now? Let me give you exact 4 steps which can help me and you to bring your personal wealth and personal growth. First, building a community. What to do for building a community? Start with content marketing, right? Guys, go on YouTube and start creating content. You can build an audience using your content. Share this content to your target audience so your target audience can understand the value which you are providing and you are trying to tell them. Work on their problems, right? Human have a lot of problems in hand. Human can organize themselves to find the solution for their problems. So create a content and build values among your community. Second, you need to add skills which can monetize your life. For example, I am an ad expert. I want to help small and medium businesses to grow their leads and get qualified sales using social media marketing, YouTube ads and etc. So what should I do? Which skills should I add on me so I can monetize my life? First, I need to learn Facebook ads. So I'll be adding a Facebook ads. Copywriting. Without copy, ad cannot be profitable. I need to learn Photoshop designing. I need to start working on customers' problems. I need to look for the market, right? So these are the such skills which you need to acquire when you want to monetize your life. Third, you need to understand your community's problems. This is called tribes. By understanding tribe, by understanding your customer's journey, you can focus on the major problems which your customers are looking to solve. You can solve their problem, in return they'll give you money, so you can start building your revenue. So as soon as you start with these skills, you need to acquire clients. So third step is you need to find clients. So when you are finding a clients, you need to start with giving a value to them. So what should you do when you want to give a value to your audience? You must start with free advice. You must start with free services. You also can start with free consulting strategies. Guys, if you are not giving something for free to your audience, then your audience will not resonate with your services. So first give something for free and then build your portfolio. When you have a lot of portfolio on your hand, then you need to acquire a website or a portfolio platform where you can showcase your case studies. Your case study build trust within your community. So when you have a portfolio ready, now is the steps to move forward and scale your businesses, right? Portfolio and case study will help you to achieve that. These are the 4 steps. If you are a zero and want to start your business from scratch, you can easily start. Follow these steps. This is the exact steps which I have learned in a meantime. Means after 4 years, I have realized that I should start with these steps. I would have started before these steps and I would have been a success and standing somewhere else. But guys, time is money and time is flowing like a rocket, but you need to start now. If you are starting off, then I will be ready to help you out. I have given my details in the descriptions. If you have any problems, write me an email. I will be ready to help you out. Follow these tips and wish you all the very best. Start your business now. Good luck.